wondered why the ground shakes, or why the wind spins super fast like a top? Get ready for a super adventure to explore the amazing and powerful secrets of our planet. Welcome to Kids Step by Step. In this fun and educational video, you'll learn all about natural disasters like earthquakes, tornadoes, floods, and hurricanes. We explain these powerful events in a simple, kid-friendly way with colorful animations and fun facts. First, what causes earthquakes? Then, we'll discover how tornadoes form. After that, we'll find out why floods happen. Finally, and most importantly, we'll learn what to do during a natural disaster to stay safe. Let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome to our adventure today. Have you ever wondered why the ground sometimes shakes, the wind spins super fast, or there's suddenly water everywhere? These are big events called natural disasters, and today we're going to learn all about them and how to stay safe. It's like being a superhero who knows exactly what to do. First up, let's talk about earthquakes. Imagine the earth is like a giant jigsaw puzzle. The big pieces are called tectonic plates, and they're always moving around super slowly. Most of the time, they just slide past each other smoothly. But sometimes, they get stuck. The pressure builds up and up and up, and then suddenly, snap, they slip and the ground shakes. That's an earthquake. It feels like a big, wobbly jiggle. If you ever feel the ground start to shake, you need to remember 3 little words: drop, cover, and hold on. First, you drop down onto your hands and knees. This stops you from falling over. Next, you cover your head and neck with your arms and crawl under a sturdy table if there's one nearby. This protects you from anything that might fall. And finally, you hold on to your shelter until the shaking stops. Just like that, you're an earthquake safety expert. Now, let's look up at the sky and talk about tornadoes. Have you ever seen water go down a drain? It spins and spins in a little whirlpool, right? Well, a tornado is kind of like that, but with air, and it's huge. They usually happen during big thunderstorms. Warm, water goes up, and cool, dry air comes down. When they meet, they can start to spin faster and faster, creating a giant, spinning funnel of wind that reaches down from the clouds to the ground. Whoosh! Tornadoes are super powerful, so if one is coming, we need to get to a safe place right away. The best spot is a basement or a small room in the middle of the house with no windows, like a closet or a bathroom. You want to get as low as you can and cover your head with your arms or even a blanket or pillow. We want to stay far away from windows and doors. The key is to get inside, get down, and cover up. Okay, last one, floods. A flood is when there's way too much water in a place where it's usually dry. Think about when you fill a bathtub. If you leave the water running, it will eventually overflow onto the floor, right? A flood is like that, but on a much bigger scale. It can happen when it rains and rains for a very long time, and the rivers and lakes get too full. The extra water has to go somewhere, so it spreads out over the land. Sometimes, big waves from the ocean can also cause floods near the coast. If there's ever a flood warning, the most important rule is to get to higher ground. Water always flows downhill, so you want to go uphill. Never, ever play in or walk through floodwater. You can't see what's underneath, and it can move really fast and knock you over. It's also not clean. So, if you hear that a flood is coming, listen to the grown-ups and move to a higher place, like the second floor of your house or a nearby hill, and stay dry. So, let's do a quick recap of our safety superpowers. For an earthquake, we drop, cover, and hold on. For a tornado, we get inside to a safe room, get down low, and cover our heads. And for a flood, we get to higher ground and stay out of the water. Knowing these simple rules can help keep you and your family safe when nature gets a little wild. You all did an amazing job learning today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye-bye.